Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4E from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 4, simplify x square minus y square the whole cube plus y square minus z square the whole cube plus z square minus x square the whole cube the whole upon x minus y the whole cube plus y minus z the whole cube plus z minus x the whole cube. Students, this seems very complicated but बहुत easy है. Okay, now over here, don't expand this, don't use whole cube वाला identity, it will become very complicated. Okay, so please don't use that over here, but instead we will use one formula that we have derived in earlier exercise. Okay, it is also given in the solved examples in your textbook. We have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now students, I have told you not to use this identity unless and until you are told to use this. Okay, ये property नहीं use करना है, but over here you cannot use any other formula. Even if you use it will become even more complicated. So instead we'll use this. Okay. Now when is a cube plus b cube plus c cube? This is a cube, this is b cube, this is c cube. It is equal to 3abc. But when a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that is ये bracket में जो number है a, ये यहाँ पे जो है b and यहाँ पे जो है c. When you add these brackets वाला terms, the terms का sum, okay, it should be 0. So x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square should be 0. Now let us check if we are getting 0. So x square minus y square, okay, plus y square minus z square and z square minus x square. It is x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. So all the terms are getting cancelled over here. So we are getting 0. This is a, this is b, this is c, students. Okay. This whole thing is A, this whole thing is B, this whole thing is C. Okay. So if there are 3 terms, okay, and तीनों terms का addition करने पे you are getting 0, then the cubes, okay, if you take the cubes of these terms and add them, the expanded form will be 3abc, that is 3 into a into b into c, that is 3 into this bracket into this bracket into this bracket. Okay, so we are getting this equal to 0. So I can say therefore x square minus y square the whole cube, a cube plus this b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into a into b into c. A is x square minus y square, b is y square minus z square. Write it in one line, okay, I don't have enough space, into z square minus x square. ठीक है. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into a into b into c. Alright. So this is what we get. Now let us check the denominator. We sorted the numerator. Numerator में इसकी जगह पे I can write this. Okay. Now let us check the denominator. In denominator again we have of the form. Let us consider this a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So a plus b plus c should be 0 first. This bracket terms, this is a, ये वाला bracket b and ये वाला bracket c. So x minus y, okay, plus y minus z plus z minus x. Open the brackets. So x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. All the terms are getting cancelled, so we are left with 0. So a plus b plus c is 0. Over here a was x square minus y square, over here a is x minus y. Okay. B is y minus z and c is z minus x. Okay. So a plus b plus c, it is equal to 0. So I can use the property a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. So therefore, just write down over here consider. Okay. First we considered numerator. Numerator में ये था. And then denominator. So consider this denominator. Okay. So therefore, x minus y the whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So 3 into a is x minus y, b is y minus z and c is z minus x. So in place of this denominator I can write this. Okay. So now we will do the substitution. First consider this, solve this. Same thing in denominator. Denominator consider karo, prove that a plus b plus c is 0 and then this. Okay. So now we'll consider this whole thing. Now write this whole thing. Okay. Numerator में we know a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be 3abc. So 3 into x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square upon 3 into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. ठीक है. So 3 will get cancelled. Now it's even more easy. X square minus y square is nothing but x minus y into x plus y. So x minus y into x plus y. Okay. Over here into y square minus z square, same thing. Y minus z into y plus z. This is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. Does not matter. 2 into 3 bolo ya 3 into 2 bolo. Answer is 6. Okay. So z square minus x square will be z minus x into z plus x. Okay. This whole thing upon x minus y. All these will remain as it is. Please don't multiply the brackets, students. They are getting cancelled. So we are left with x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. Okay, so this is the answer. Underline or box the answer. Alright. So it's very easy. Please don't use whole cube wala formula. It will become very complicated. Okay, so we are using a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc wala property. Moving on to next question. Question number 5. Evaluate first sub question 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 the whole upon 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. This is very easy, students. If you know the 4 special products, if you remember the products, then this is very easy. Okay, so let us start with the first sub question. There are 2 sub questions. Okay, now we have 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. Please don't multiply. Please don't solve this. Okay, we will use the identity. Okay, expansions में we have done identities and we'll be using them over here. Okay, students, if you are directly solving it, then there is no meaning of studying the identities. Okay, so we will apply the identities and the properties over here. So I'm not writing down the question again. Okay, so you'll write down the question now. 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 is nothing but 0.8 cube. Okay, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 is nothing but 0.5 cube. In denominator, 0.8 into 0.8, that is 0.8 square. 0.8 into 0.5, please don't multiply, keep it as it is, plus 0.5 into 0.5, that will give 0.5 square. Okay, now check the numerator. If this is A, then this is A cube. If this is B, then this is B cube. So A cube plus B cube, what is the special product? A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. You are supposed to know these products. Okay, it's very easy. A cube plus B cube है, okay, not whole cube. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square AB B square, याद रखो, and middle term में there is negative sign. Okay, so AB में negative sign आता है when it is A cube plus B cube. Now coming to A cube minus B cube, same terms are same, students, only the signs will change. So A, B, A square, A, B, B square. I've told you first bracket will be negative, A minus B होगा, A cube minus B cube है तो A minus B, and second bracket all the terms are positive. Alright, so if you know the formula for A cube plus B cube or even A cube minus B cube, you can derive the other one. It's easy. Okay, for A cube plus B cube, just keep in mind middle term में negative sign है. Okay, now I will write this in this form. Okay, normally we expand the brackets, but over here we'll express in brackets wala form. I'll tell you why. A plus B, that is 0.8 plus 0.5 into A square minus AB plus B square. So 0.8 square minus AB, so 0.8 into 0.5 plus B square, that is 0.5 square. Okay, please put box brackets. Okay, now in denominator we have 0.8 square minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 square. If you notice, students, this entire bracket is same terms, same signs, so I can cancel out the entire bracket. ठीक है, you can't just cancel terms inside the bracket. Okay, please don't ever do that. Mathematically it is wrong. If you can cancel out entire bracket, only then you can cancel out. Okay, so over here entire bracket is getting cancelled because all the terms are same and the signs are same. So this got cancelled. Okay, and in between there is multiplication sign. Please make sure the sign is multiplication sign. Okay, if it is addition or subtraction, you cannot cancel out. Now 0.8 plus 0.5, this will give 1.3. Okay, so it's very easy, students. Okay, box or underline the answer. Coming to sub question 2, we have 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 the whole upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. Again, this is very easy. Now please don't solve this. Okay, don't multiply the numbers. Actually we'll be using the identity over here. Now which identity? First, let us express this in simpler form. 1.2 into 1.2 will become 1.2 square. 1.2 into 0.3, keep it as it is. plus 0.3 into 0.3, that will give 0.3 square. This whole upon 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2, that is 1.2 cube. Same thing over here, 0.3 cube. Over here numerator mein you cannot use any identity, but in denominator this is of the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So denominator mein we will write this as in this form. Okay, we'll express this in this form. Okay, so keep numerator as it is. Please don't solve, students, it is getting cancelled. Okay, so 1.2 cube minus 0.3 cube, that is a cube minus b cube, is a minus b. So 1.2 minus 0.3 into a square. So a square is 1.2 square plus ab. So 1.2 into 0.3 plus b square. So 0.3 square. Okay. Now check. This entire bracket is same. 1.2 square plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 square. Entire bracket is same, so I can cancel out the entire bracket. Okay, you can't just cancel out the terms, because in between there is positive sign. If there is positive or negative sign, you can't just cancel out the terms, students. Please keep that in mind. So entire bracket is getting cancelled. Okay, so this is the reason we can cancel this out. So this whole thing will get cancelled. So in numerator we are left with 1. Over here in denominator 1.2 minus 0.3. Okay, so 1.2 minus 0.3 gives 0.9. Okay, please don't get confused, decimal point ही है सिर्फ. So 1 0 cancel out. Okay, 12 minus 3, that will give 9. Please don't forget to put decimal point. 0.9 हो जाएगा. Okay, so 1 upon 0.9, I can write 0.9 as 9 upon 10. Okay, so 1 divided by 0.9 is nothing but 9 upon 10. I am writing it like this. 1 divided by 0.9 is nothing but 9 upon 10. Okay, so 10 will go in the numerator, because when I turn division into multiplication, reciprocal हो जाएगा. So 10 goes in the numerator, 9 comes in the denominator. ठीक है, reciprocal हो जाता है. So 10 upon 9. If you know this, simple way में solve कर सकते हो. Okay, there is no need to write it like this. 1 upon 9 upon 10 and 10 will go in the numerator. Okay, you can just write this like this. 1 upon 9 upon 10. But in case you are having confusion in, denominator upon denominator, then you can use this method. Alright, this is the reason I showed you this method. 10 upon 9. So 10 upon 9 is the answer. Coming to next question, question number 6. If a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, state the value of a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. Now students, over here there are two ways in which I'll solve this question. First one is using the property and another one is without using the property. Okay, over here in the question you are not mentioned that you can use the property. Now you will say which property? Over here you are given that sum of the three terms is 0. Okay, now we have a property which says that if sum of the three terms, that is a plus b plus c, is equal to 0, then the sum of their cubes, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube, where a, b and c can be anything. Okay, 2a, 3b, 4c, anything. It can be x, y, z. So if sum of three terms is 0 and therefore the sum of the cubes of the three terms is equal to 3abc. Okay, that is 3 into the product of the terms. So this is the property. So first method we will use the property and second method we will not use the property. Okay, so whichever way you want to follow. Now we'll write down the question. A minus 2b plus 3c. Now you'll say there is negative sign, but don't get worried. Okay, we will rewrite this in different form. मैं इसको लिख सकती हूँ a plus minus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. I took minus sign inside the bracket and outside I kept positive sign. So this is of the form a plus b plus c equal to 0. Okay. So now we can use the property. Okay. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Alright. So we'll write down, we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so we have to find the value of this. A cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. Now again I'll rewrite this. I want this in this form, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. There is negative sign over here. So a cube plus minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. Even if I open the brackets, ये previous step आ जाएगा. So I'm not going wrong. Okay. Plus into minus will give minus 8b cube. Okay. Now it is equal to 3abc. Okay. So 3abc. A is a over here. 3abc. Sorry. 3 into a is a. ठीक है. B is minus 2b. Check over here. A is a. B is minus 2b. And C is 3c. Okay. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. We are using the property. So now what you will do, multiply the numbers first. Okay, forget even the signs. 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. A into b into c, a, b, c. Now put the signs. Over here all are positive, only one is negative. So negative sign हो जाएगा. Positive into negative gives negative. So minus 18 ABC हो जाएगा. Okay. So this is the answer using the property. Okay. Now we'll solve without using the property. Now in second method, students, we'll write down the question. A minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. Okay. Now what you will do? Over here cube है, to find part में cube है. So what we need to do, we need to cube this. But 3 terms का cube. Do I know any identity for the cube of 3 terms? No. Okay. So if I cube, I'll cube the entire thing. Okay. I'll not just cube one term. I'll cube the entire thing. So do I know the formula for this a plus b plus c the whole cube? No. So what I'll do, I'll shift one term on the other side. You can shift any term. You can shift a, you can shift 2b, you can shift 3c. Okay. You will ultimately get correct answer. So I'm shifting 2b over here. Okay. So a plus 3c, I'll keep as it is. I'll shift 2b. So this will become positive. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll cube on both the sides. So a plus 3c, the whole cube is equal to 2b, put brackets the whole cube. LHS, write down the LHS, put brackets whole cube. Write down the RHS, put brackets whole cube. Give reason cubing on both the sides. Please give reason. Okay. So this is of the form a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3ab. B is C or 3C over here. Okay. 3 into A into B, that is 3 into A into 3C. Bracket A plus B, that is A plus 3C. plus b cube, that is 3c cube, okay, is equal to 2b cube. 2 का cube is 8, b का cube is b cube, okay. So a cube plus 3 3s are 9. Multiply the numbers first. A into c gives ac into a plus 3c. Now students, a plus 3c is equal to 2b. So I can write it as 2b over here. So what I'll do is I'll write 2b in place of a plus 3c, okay, plus 3 का cube is 27, c का cube is c cube, okay, is equal to 8b cube. Now we have to find the value of a cube minus 8b cube. So we'll shift 8b cube. Okay, there are 3 cubes over here. A cube है, b cube है, c cube है. C is also there, A is also there, B is not there. So a cube over here, 9 2s are 18, A into C into B, that is I'll write in alphabetical order, A into B into C, A, B, C, okay, plus 27c cube minus 8b cube, I'll shift this, is equal to 0, there is nothing left in the RHS. Now I have to find the value of a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. So I want only this in LHS, I'll shift this in RHS. So a cube minus 8b cube, I'm just rearranging the terms, okay, सिर्फ rearrange करना है. So a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube, I'm just rearranging according to the question, is equal to, I'll shift this, so minus 18abc. Okay, we got the same answer when we use the property. So whether you use the property or you don't use the property, if you're using correct identities, if your signs are not wrong, then you will ultimately get correct answer. Okay, so box this, okay, or underline this. All right, coming to next question, question number 7. If x plus 5y is equal to 10, find the value of x cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy minus 1000. Students, again there are 2 methods of solving this question. One is with the property and another one is without using the property. Okay, so in first method I'll use the property, and in second method I'll not be using the property. Both ways it is easy. Okay, you are given x plus 5y equal to 10, and in to find part there is cube, and if you notice 1000 is cube of 10. Okay, so what we'll do, in first method we are using property, so we'll consider this given. Okay, so always first write down the given. Now x plus 5y is equal to 10. What I'll do is I'll shift 10 on the other side. X plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now this is of the form you will say there is negative sign, but we can rewrite it as x plus 5y plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Plus into minus will give minus. Okay, so I've just rewritten it as x plus 5y plus minus 10 is equal to 0. Alright, so this is of the form a plus b plus c equal to 0. Now what does the property say? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then, so after this write down, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so write this down after noting this. Okay, so a plus b plus c 0 hai, so cube of this, cube of this, cube of this plus cube of this, तीनों का sum, cube का sum is equal to 3 into x into 5y into minus 10. Okay, so using this property, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that is x cube plus 5y the whole cube plus minus 10 the whole cube, is equal to 3 into x into 5y into minus 10. Okay, so using the property, x cube plus 5y whole cube plus minus 10 the whole cube is equal to 3 into a is x, b is 5y and c is minus 10. Okay, so x cube plus 5 का क्यूब इज 125, y का क्यूब इज y क्यूब एंड माइनस 10 क्यूब. 10 क्यूब क्या होगा? 1000 होगा. 10 इंटू 10 इंटू 10, 3 zeros. ओके, सो एंड क्यूब ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. ओके, so over here we have multiply the numbers first. 3 5s are 15. 15 into 10, 150. xy. Now consider the signs. Positive, positive, positive. Only one number is negative, so this will give negative. Negative into positive is always negative. Okay, so minus 150 xy. Now we have almost got this. ओके, एक्स क्यूब है 125, वाई क्यूब है 1000 है 150 एक्स वाई है. वी हैव टू शिफ्ट एवरीथिंग ऑन वन साइड. ओके, ऑल दीज टर्म्स आर प्रेजेंट, सो आई शिफ्ट दिस ऑन दी LHS and I'll rearrange the terms. x cube plus 125 y cube minus 1000 है and minus 150 xy will become 1 plus 150 xy equal to 0. Okay, I'll just rearrange this. So x cube plus 125 y cube plus 150 xy minus 1000 is equal to 0. Okay, so we got the value of this. We had to find value of this. Okay, so box this or underline this, students. Okay, this is using the property. Now in second method we will not use the property. Now in second method we are not using the property. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll write down the given. X plus 5y is equal to 10. This is what we are given. Now in to find part there is cube. Okay, x का cube x cube, 5 का cube 125, y का cube y cube and 10 का cube is 1000. So what we will do, we will cube on both the sides. So write down the LHS, put brackets cube. Write down the RHS, put brackets cube. Write down the reason cubing on both the sides. You have to give reason, students. Okay, this is of the form a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. So x cube plus 3 into x into 5y into x plus 5y plus 5y cube. You have to cube the coefficient also. Please don't forget. 10 cube is 1000. Okay. So x cube, multiply the numbers first. 3 5s are 15. xy. Now over here, x plus 5y. X plus 5y is equal to 10. So I'll substitute 10 in place of x plus 5y. Okay, this is very important step, students. If you forget this, then you will not get the answer. So make sure that you make correct substitution. 5 का cube is 125, y cube is equal to 1000. So this gives x cube plus 150 xy plus 125 y cube is equal to 1000. Now in to find part we have x cube 150 xy 125 y cube, also we have 1000, so we'll shift 1000. x cube plus, I'm just rearranging the terms according to the question के हिसाब से I'm just writing this down. Okay, plus 150 xy minus 1000. 1000 will become negative when you shift it on the other side. On RHS we are left with 0, so value of this entire thing is 0. Okay, so box this. Okay,